Welcome to Beyond Just Money by kalkinemedia, an independent global media house and investor relations group. Please note that this podcast is for information purposes only. It's not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold the stocks of any company or companies or engage in any investment activity under discussion. kalkinemedia is neither licensed nor qualified to provide investment advice through this platform.
Welcome to Beyond Just Money, an exclusive podcast series by Kalkine TV. After witnessing record levels in April 2021, Bitcoin witnessed a dark period for almost 3 months and kept hovering in the range of 30 to 40,000 US dollars a piece. The cryptocurrency market is now recovering, and so is Bitcoin. To discuss Bitcoin and its current price rise, with me today is Ms. Nidhi Sinha, the head of content at kalkinemedia. Welcome to the show, Nidhi.
Thank you, Manisha. Yes, Bitcoin seems to be back on track.
Nidhi, Bitcoin price surged past the 50,000 US dollar mark on August 23 for the first time after the crypto market crashed in May this year. How are you looking at it?
Well, in April this year, Bitcoin had almost reached the 65,000 US dollar mark. However, in June, the price of the digital asset fell to about 28,800 US dollars after a massive sell-off. Crash came after regulatory authorities in China launched a massive crackdown on financial companies, payment gateways, and corporates providing services related to Bitcoin. As crypto mining operations involving graphic processors require a lot of electricity and affect the environment negatively, China has adopted strict measures leading to an exodus of crypto miners from the country. These factors played a cumulative role in bringing down the prices of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's price has surged by about 7% since the last 1 week and 50% in the last month. The increase in the Bitcoin price basically indicates that the Bitcoin miners got back into business after the latest Chinese crackdown.
Nidhi, could you give us the details behind the price rise?
The surge in the prices came due to two significant developments for Bitcoin over the past week. Leading payment services company PayPal has launched a cryptocurrency service in the United Kingdom. The announcement came on August 23rd after PayPal announced that users can buy, sell, or hold digital currencies, and it will be the company's first international expansion outside of the US. Another major announcement came from the crypto exchange platform Coinbase, which said that the company will buy crypto worth 500 million US dollars on its balance sheet.
So what are the price predictions for Bitcoin now?
Manisha, with the increasing acceptance of cryptos and a few countries focusing on adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender, it might soon breach the levels of 60,000 US dollar per token and may also touch 70,000 US dollars a piece by the end of this year. Since Bitcoin is the pioneer among all the cryptos in the world, it will certainly remain on top for at least the next 5 or 10 years. Even Bitcoin rival Ether trades in the range of 3,000 to 3,500 US dollars, which is not even close when compared to the price of a Bitcoin. European derivatives exchange Eurex announced earlier this week that it is set to introduce exchange-traded notes futures for BTC. It will be launched on September 13th, and Eurex will become the first exchange to bring Bitcoin-related derivatives in Europe. Amid all these developments, it seems Bitcoin will continue to grow, but there'll be volatility in the interim. For instance, Bitcoin went down by around 3.46% to around 48,000 US dollars as of 25th August after surging past the 50,000 US dollar mark on 23rd August.
Thank you, Nidhi, for sharing your insights with our listeners.
Thank you, Manisha. Always a pleasure to be on this show.
To listen to this podcast again, log on to kalkinemedia.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money. Till then, as we say, stay apprised and invest wise with kalkinemedia.
Our listeners are requested to make their own inquiries about any investments, and kalkinemedia strongly suggest that the listeners seek advice from a financial advisor, stockbroker, or other professional as necessary. kalkinemedia hereby disclaims any and all the liabilities to any listener arising from any use of the information shared or discussed in this podcast. This podcast is available for personal and non-commercial use only.